Welcome to Miss Tidbit, your global guide to smart words, stylish learning, and everyday curiosity. From trending brands to tricky terms, we pronounce, explain, and explore it all. Let's dive in. Bailey's Irish Cream. Bailey's Irish Cream. Bailey's Irish Cream is a creamy Irish liquor blending whiskey, cream, and cocoa. If you pronounced it right, hit the like button. If not, hit subscribe so we'll practice more together. A curiosity check for you. Can geography flirt with biology? In case you are interested in getting an answer to it, do hit the bell button. Here is our word for the upcoming video. Here are some more suggestions for you. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.